Good afternoon, everyone. Now I am here. I am at the condo for customer. They rent for 1 year, and then now this one they call Grand Avenue, and it's so very nice. They have building ABC in the Pattaya city in the Soi Bua Khao, and they have very nice swimming pool. It's foreigner live here. You can rent contract for 1 year, 1 month. Depend. You have to find the owner. It's my job is I have to help elderly people here for relax and for do visa process, and then they come here. Look, it's very nice here. Well, look. If you need help or anything about law system, buy house, buy condo, rent, contact for how to find me and just call me first, and then Sasi. I'm here now, everyone. This one I have looking for the customer, Grand Avenue, and then now want to rent for here 1 year, and I do the document, visa process, because you have to check and report government, immigration, everything where you live, where you stay. That's why in here is my job here. Well, everyone, enjoy, have a nice day. Just call me when you come to Thailand. Here is very nice. Have swimming pool, everything here. Yeah, that's why it me now Sasi. If you need help, law system, visa, buy condo for rent, and you buy house and do business in Thailand about law system, it's me. This one is in a Soi Bua Khao 15 near Pattaya City Hospital. It's very nice. It's here. You can come enjoy and relax. You have a good life, but you not worry about visa process, everything. Just call me, Sasi. You need help anything? Okay, bye.